Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas to anybody that is joining us here today on December 24th, 2022. And well, I wanted to go through the challenges I once again passed for my Forex funds, right? I've did a challenge before this one, which I was taking the trades based off of the analysis I was uploading here on this YouTube channel and the analysis I was sending out to my levels community. But after I went live on that account, I made the decision to open up a new challenge to also open up a service where I would or where I did start sending signals of all the trades that I was taking on that challenge, right? Which is the one that we're going to review today. And well, although you guys may see that, I pass most of my challenge in the first 5 days, etc. Take in consideration that's something that's not consistency or consistent for new traders, and also for me as well, because there's some times where I would take more than 5 days to actually pass a challenge, right? And I always try to do this. I always try to do this with with the lowest risk possible, right? That way we could secure that we don't blow out our challenges. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys this review. So unfortunately, my Forex funds already deleted the information on the first phase, which is this one. You guys could see we went to emit or passed it with the first 8%. The good news is, and you could also see that on trading days, they pretty much erased everything, all the information. But the good news is I did upload it to my Instagram channel before it got deleted, and I uploaded this yesterday, and I can't believe they deleted it today. I was one day late on making the video. But anyways, here was phase one results. As you guys can see, it was phase one. We had 83% win rate. Like I always mention, my win rates average between 80 to 85%. And on phase two, I actually went lower than that, but that was because of the first day. I really had a really bad day on the first day. But anyways, going on forward, phase one, we did 83% win rate, 8% in 5 days. Okay. You guys can see how on the first day we made 1.9%, almost 2%. On the second day, which was on a Thursday, we made 0.7%. And on the third day, we made almost 0.3%. Then we had Saturday and Sunday. On Monday, we went all the way up to 3% and had only the remaining 2%, which we made on Wednesday, right? I did not trade Tuesday because I felt I was going too fast, so I didn't want to press my luck or press, just I didn't want to go too deep on the last day, right? So I decided to take a day off there, and I believe I didn't really see much in the marketplace for me to actually want to get in there. So that's one of the things that you guys should be practicing a lot is discipline, knowing when to trade and when not to trade. Tuesday, I didn't really think it was a tradable day. That's why I did not take any trades. But then on Wednesday, you guys can see I made the remaining 2% that was left for the 8%. So that leaves us off with 83% profit, win rate for challenge one. Now, I did not pass phase one in 5 days total because this one is actually the reset account. It took me 1 month, which I did not pass right away, phase one with this signal service. I had to reset my account, and then the next week was when we got this phase one reset, and we passed it on 5 days. Okay, so on average, I'm actually, because last time I took a challenge from phase one, two, and to live Phase one I passed in 1 month, and phase two I passed on, I believe, on the first 3 or 4 days, if I'm not mistaken. But I know it was before the fifth or sixth day. So it took me about a month and 1 week to pass the last live account. And this live account, it actually took me 1 full month of phase one. I got that reset. And then on this reset, which is the one that you're seeing now on the screen, that's where I got the 8% on the first, or on 5 days for 1 week. And then if we go out here, this is phase two right here. You guys can see we traded for 5 days. Our last starting balance was 2,500. And then on the last day, I made about those 2,500, which you guys can see here, 2,600. So for this, this phase two account, which was also passed on 5 days, my win rate was actually 70% win rate, and Sharp ratio 4. I can't remember what my Sharp ratio was for phase one, but I think on that one it was around 8 to 10 Sharp ratio. I can't really remember what the number is, but they erased it, so I'm not going to be able to tell you guys exactly what it was, but I kind of remember it was around 8 to 10. Anyways, going into the trading days for phase two, like I said, my first day was really horrible. I went down to 4.4% in 1 single day. I just wasn't on the right mindset for this phase two. Then we had Saturday and Sunday. And on Monday, I recovered only 0.7%, so less than 1%. Ended the day off with $96,000. And on Tuesday, as you guys can see, Tuesday really pumped us up to a whopping 3.6%, taking the account almost to break even. And then on the fourth day, we made 2,500, which is 2.5%. And then yesterday, which was Thursday, we made 2.6% on that, making the overall 5% on this account. So if you guys want to see the videos that I took for each trade, this is the video that I took for phase one. On the reset account for phase one, we have day 1, day 2, 3, 4, and 5. You guys could see the videos of the trades that I took, or one of the trades that I took on during those days. And FOMC trading was the same day on day 5, so I just put that on a different video. This was the morning session pretty much, and then this was the afternoon session for NASDAQ 100. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I will be doing a new intake for January for anybody that wants to join the signals group, where I was sending these signals to pass your challenge. It's a signals group focused especially for passing challenges. So I hope you guys go ahead and follow us on every social media that we have: Instagram, Telegram, and YouTube, if you have not followed us yet. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a really great New Year's. That said, I'll see you guys next time.